Let's look at Leonardo's exclusive flow state feature, which is truly amazing and could revolutionize image generation without the need for writing prompts. This flow state feature is an exclusive proposal from Leonardo to provide inspiration to creatives. By default, it offers us 3 images to experiment with, from which we can use the descriptions used to generate them. But here we are going to learn to generate images from scratch. First, in the exclusive flow state mode, we have 4 different style options. The first would be the vibration, as they call it. Well, properly the style. Acrylic painting, anime, bronze, origami, graphic design, color sketch, oil painting. I am going to choose, for example, this one here of clay sculpture. Then, the second option we have to define the style would be lighting. We have several predefined ones: backlight, front light, candlelight, dramatic, chiaroscuro, lens flare, artistic, soft, volumetric. Quite convenient to be able to choose. Then, for the type of shot, we have different options: close-up, high angle, low angle, cinematic, moving, spiritual. Let's choose this dreamy one. And finally, we have the option to choose the color palette style. We have several pre-designed here. And I am going to choose, for example, this one, autumnal. The combination might be a bit strange, but let's put it to the test. Finally, let's write here what we wanted to generate. I'm simply going to put a rat. We click generate, and in just a few seconds, we have a bunch of images with these characteristics. And as we scroll down, it keeps creating more without limits. All with the same characteristics. They depict a rat in clay sculpture technique with hard and dreamy light and an autumnal color palette. To find inspiration, it is really comfortable and quick to define these characteristics simply by choosing from very visual menus without needing to write long strings of prompts. And we are going to do another test if we want to find inspiration in a much more open way. Let's choose from the styles, this one, for example, surrealist. This time, let's give the type of lighting a mystical feel. And for the type of shot, we'll leave it as random, and the color of the scene also random. Let's ask it to represent, for example, a goddess. We click generate. Again, and in a matter of seconds, we have a bunch of images being generated in real time, with much more open styles, but aesthetically much more diverse, meeting only the characteristics we have defined, the vibrancy and the style of lighting. Super quickly, we can receive a lot of aesthetic proposals, and from one that we particularly like, we can start working in that direction. For example, if we particularly like this golden scene, we would simply have to press this more like this button. And similarly, in a matter of seconds, it would give us a bunch of different proposals with characteristics shared with this image. And then, from any of them, we can also, for example, use them as a guide image. We could also edit them using the canvas function, and we can even animate them by generating a video, which is what we will see next. Or also, if we wanted to isolate them, it has the function to remove the background. Again, a very useful function for creatives to find inspiration, and that I have only seen in Leonardo.